Hey guys, I need to go while we're back with the video. I'm like, what the heck? Alright. Today, I'm gonna show you guys some baby chickens, okay? So I'm gonna get one for you guys, okay? Wait, one second.
I'm sorry guys, this is the worst filming. So yeah. I'm playing some of those Call of Duty Ghosts. You guys can see. And here is one.
Right, yeah.
And here's a baby chicken.
We have 3 others though.
He's probably camera shy. He's right here. He tries to fly, but he can't. Look, he's right here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I guess he's not gonna say hi. So see you later. Bye.